Your DJI Osmo Pocket might look ready to shoot, but if the focus mode isn't set right, your videos can turn out blurry. Many users get stuck here without realizing it's just a quick setting change. In this video, I'll show you how to change the focus mode on your DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's change the focus mode right now. First, turn on your camera. Now swipe left from the right side of the screen. Make sure to select Pro option here. Then scroll down a little bit. Now here you will get the focus mode option under the glamour effect. Tap on it. The Pocket provides 3 focus modes, like single, continuous, and product showcase mode. Continuous mode is the default and most versatile mode. The camera will continuously adjust the focus to keep the subject in focus as it moves. This is the best choice for vlogging or filming yourself, and recording moving subjects like people, pets, or action. On the other hand, single mode will focus once when you start recording, or when you tap on the screen. The focus will then be locked in place, and will not change unless you tap the screen again. This is ideal for filming stationary subjects like a landscape, a building, or a static interview. And finally, product showcase mode. This is a specialized mode designed for creators who film product reviews. In this mode, the camera prioritizes products that are close to the lens. If you hold a product up to the camera, it will quickly shift focus from your face to the product and then back again when you lower it. This is perfect for YouTube product reviews. Now, select one of them based on your needs. And that's it. This is how you can change the focus mode on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.